Hi, we are Paedea students Amelia, Shirley, Youngsu, Chris, and Channy. We are responding about the video TLDR, the worst mistake in Korea.
Get out of my sight, Chris!
One boy shouts to another boy with angry face.
Anthony, what's wrong with you? Did I do something wrong to you? I'm so scared right now because of you!
The boy starts to cry.
Always, you're the one who gets grades on the exam, and you are the one who gets favor from the teachers. Why is it always you? It all started when they were 6 years old. Chris' family went to the beach on a sunny day. The beach, that was far from their house, was really blue. Young Chris was walking on the sand and suddenly he falls down after he fell with a boy. That boy was young and pretty. Accidentally, they were living close to each other till it was infected with them. From that day, they become a good friends together.
They grew up, and they went to the same school, which was made of bricks. Both were good at studying, so everybody thought they were rivals. But they were still friends too. It was a special day, which was a day when the scores of midterm exam were coming out. Juliet was in the first place, and Anthony was in the second place. Thought he got better score than him. He went to him and asked some questions about the exam.
But Anthony seemed not happy. Now he starts to shout to Chris. He is thinking that Chris is better than him in every field. Anthony is very angry about himself and about Chris and everything. After a few weeks, Anthony thinks that he was too hard on Chris. So he goes to Chris and they reconcile. Anthony realized that making mistakes are not bad. The problem is that they are not bad only when we get lessons from them. Also, we shouldn't make same mistakes more than twice too.
Some people think that you should do better before you make mistakes. They think like this because of two reasons. To understand better, let's make an example. One boy was preparing for the math test. To get good score on the test, he went to the academy and learned about it. Unfortunately, he got wrong on some questions. He got so depressed by his score and thinks that he cannot get good scores more, even though he studies.
The first reason is based on learning. Before the test in this story, people think that it is strange to make mistakes on the test because he had already learned that before. The second reason is based on depression after the test in this story. They are scared about getting depressed like this after when they make a mistake.
I think making mistakes has to be a normal thing. The first reason is because the human is not a perfect animal. It means that it is natural to make mistakes and cannot be always correct. The second reason is that we can get a lot of lessons from making mistakes. There is a proverb which is famous, which is very famous.
Mistakes bring success. Like this proverb, humans become more knowledgeable through mistakes. So we should understand people making mistakes, but there are some exceptions. They have not to make some mistakes more than one time. Even though mistakes are good, but it is unless when they are happening over and over again.
To tell once more, making mistakes must be understood by everyone unless they are happened many times. We have to remember that mistakes are not bad things. It's just a part of process of growing. Now let's take chances and make mistakes. Thank you for listening.